Welcome back to the another part of the articles. Today we are going to learn about the article, which is a definite article. We use the when the listener or reader know which thing we mean, which may have been mentioned before. Let's see an example. First, Envisit is a fully equipped observation satellite. This satellite was launched in 2002. Second, as part of the Conference on Environmental Awareness. We also use the when there is only one of this thing, like the Earth, the Sun, the 20th century, the government, the Prime Minister. Also with superlative degrees like the best, it is equipped with the best eyes possible. And with certain proper nouns like nationalities like the British, the Chinese, rivers, island, seas, oceans, mountain range, historical building names, holy books, desert, lake, canal, banks, newspaper, null train, with the university names ... Now let's learn about no articles. We use no article with plural or uncountable nouns to talk generally about things. Let's understand with some examples. It will deliver information about our changing environment. It offers everything that scientists could wish for, scientists in general. With certain proper nouns, no article is required. Continents Europe, Asia, countries Australia, China, states or countries Michigan, India. With mealtimes, I have lunch at 2:30. In common expressions after prepositions, to, at school or university, to or in class. In prison or hospital or bed, we use the articles if we want to be specific. When I was a child, I went to the school on the other side of the town. However, we cannot use an article with the following expressions: at home to work, at night, by bus or bicycle, by train or plane, and on foot. That's the end of our today's lesson. See you all tomorrow in new video with new learnings. If you want to crack the exam of IELTS or PT or want to improve your English, you can enroll to our online classes. For further details, contact us on the given number. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe our channel for more English learning videos. Bye!